Once upon a time, in a lush, enchanted forest, animals of all shapes and sizes lived harmoniously. One day, a kind-hearted rabbit named Clover noticed an injured bird with a broken wing. Unable to fly, the little bird looked lost and afraid. Moved by compassion, Clover gathered the other animals, forming a council of kindness. They decided to build a sanctuary where injured and vulnerable animals could find refuge. Squirrels gathered soft moss for beds, wise old owls provided shelter in their trees, and industrious beavers built cozy lodges. Word of the sanctuary spread, and soon, animals from distant corners of the forest sought solace within its caring embrace. The once injured bird, now named Skylar, became a symbol of the magic that unfolded when kindness prevailed. Seasons changed, but the spirit of compassion endured. The animals discovered that by helping one another, they forged unbreakable bonds and created a haven where love and empathy thrived. As the sun set over the sanctuary, the animals gathered to share stories of gratitude. Clover, surrounded by friends old and new, realized that true happiness blossomed when kindness became a way of life in their enchanted forest.